Okay, attempting latest DAB software install. USB just plugged in. Actually no, sorry, not settings. App install. Install. No, there it is, sorry. Do you want to install an update to existing application? Existing data will be lost in the update. The update application will get access to. Let's just go install, see what happens. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, alright, I'm going to do something else here. I'm going to delete the previous app. Okay, good, right. This looks like the app that was pre-installed on this unit before I started deleting it earlier, many days ago now, when I was trying to resolve this problem. At the time it wouldn't play any sound at all. It received all radio stations, all looked to be functioning perfectly, but was playing no sound. So it'd be interesting now to see if it actually does play the sound after we did the software update to the main software update to the unit yesterday. Fingers crossed. no sound. Exactly the same problem I had previously when I had this app installed. It all works functionally perfectly, radio reception is very good, but I have no sound at all. My instinct is that this unit, this DAB unit, or the apps are just not capable of, well, just not up to date and won't run with Android 9.0. That's my instinct, and perhaps you can let me know. Shame, just to prove that the sound still does work on other things. Let's go to, for example, not clog, radio. Let's tune something in because I still haven't done it since we updated the software the other day.
Now, check it out on her.
There you go.
Absolutely love that one. That one.
Fine.
What's the Radio 2 website?
Trevor Nelson's Rhythm Nation.
Every Monday to Thursday nights from 10.
So, sound does work. No, I haven't got any in here at the moment. So anyway, the sound does work.